Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can enable the dark mode on your Huawei Mate X3. For that you need to go to your drop down menu and then go down here and click on dark mode. Now it's enabled just all day. We can go to our settings, go to display and brightness, and then we have the dark mode here. We can click on it and then we can also say schedule. So we can say when we want it to start. So let's say at 8 tonight, and then when we want it to end. So let's say at 7 in the morning. So at 8 p.m. every night, the dark mode will turn on, and then at 7 a.m. the light mode will appear again. You can do that, or just as before, enable all day, and then this is the dark mode. So that's how you can enable the dark mode on your Huawei Mate X3. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.